What's happening, everybody? Back in the garage. We've got a special guest today. Man, is he a special guest. Me and this guy served in the military together in Hawaii. He drove all the way up from Florida just to check out the garage. Well, not really, but he was hanging up with his family up here, and we are out here together working like the old times back in the barracks. So let's get to it. So what's up, Brandon?
What's up?
So me and Brandon used to work on cars in the barracks parking lot. We were not supposed to, but we said thug life and we did it anyways.
You damn sure did.
So I got Brandon down here. He's putting new gaskets on the valve cover. And I'm going to install the Skunk 2 intake manifold. So I'm gonna set y'all up over here and y'all can just hang out with us.
Yeah, they just have just like a...
It's a little... Will that socket not work?
No, because they're too small. Because I'm just trying to catch the edge.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to be super safe with these seals.
Well, alright guys, unfortunately Brandon had to leave. His wife made him go. So have a safe trip back to Florida, Brandon, and I'll see you guys next year when we come down there for vacation. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and just throw in the Skunk 2 manifold, the rest of the valve cover gasket, and then we can take this motor off the stand. Finally, yes, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the Skunk 2 intake manifold on. The two outer bolts, two most outer bolts on this manifold have to be, I cannot use the ARP nuts because of these fuel bosses right here. I can't fit it up in there. So this is for extra injectors, but he's only going to use 4, so we're just going to use the nuts. Well, since I'm lazy, I don't feel like taking this off right now. It's getting pretty late, so I'm just going to go ahead and... I was about to tape all this up, but I'm going to go ahead and throw on the nice K-tune throttle body and see how that looks. One thing I really do like about this is that you don't need a throttle body gasket. It comes with an O-ring to seal it. That's pretty sweet. But what is not sweet is K-tune did not include the mounting hardware to put this throttle body onto the intake. So now I guess I got to use the old ugly looking intake bolts because we don't have any. So let me dig them out. I'll be right back. Well guys, it's probably going to do it for tonight because I cannot find the throttle body bolts anywhere. They might still be with the old throttle body at Steven's buddy's house. So, but I'll just go by the store tomorrow and pick up some nice Allen head bolts, and I'll just add to your build, Steven, and I'll see you guys in the morning after work. Bye. What's up? We're back. Got the bolts, got the washers. Let's get this on. Alright, well I got M8 by 125, 40 millimeter long. So these are too long for this, so I'll go back to the store and get some probably like 30 mil long. But I'm not going to do that right now. What I'm going to do is put on the fuel rail. I got some lube for the injector O-rings, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, time to get it off the stand. Woo!
It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on.
Alright guys, there it is, finally off the stand. Looking good, nice and fresh. Yeah. Hello there. Oh, hello. Alright guys, well, that's going to do it for tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the videos. The next video I'll put out on Friday. That will be a how-to install the E153 trans on the K24 or K20. It's all going to be the same. So make sure you guys tune in for that. And then probably around Sunday-ish, I'll put the video out of me in South Carolina. So see you guys later. Bye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do?